Dear viewers, welcome again in Chemistry with Fun. Today I am going to discuss the difference and definition of isotope, isobar, isotone, isodiapher and so many. Hope this video will be helpful for your competitive level study and mains examination. Without wasting any time, let's come to the topic. At first, we will discuss about isotope. Isotope. Iso. Iso. Iso means same or similar. So means any nuclei which have same anything such as proton, neutron and electron. The nuclei which have same number of proton but different number of neutrons and also different mass number are called isotope of each other. Means iso means same, and in isotope there is P and here same number of proton. Same number of proton is called isotope in any nucleus. Let us take an example of carbon C612 C614. Here we see that the proton number is 6, which is denoted by Z. It is proton number. Here also proton number is 6. But the mass number is 12 and mass number is 14. The mass number is different according to the definition. The different mass number. Here mass number is different, proton number is same, and the neutron number is also different. Here neutron number is 12 minus 6 equal to 6. Here neutron number is 14 minus 6 equal to 8. Same proton number, as these two nucleus have same proton number, so these are called isotope of each other. Same proton, isotope. Okay. Then we come isotone. Similarly, the word iso means same, tone, n for neutron. So the nucleus which have same number of neutrons but different number of protons or mass number is isotone of each other. Isotone, tone, n for neutron. Okay, let's see. Isotone. Same, iso means same. Those nucleus which have same number of neutrons. Yes. But different number of protons are called isotones of each other. In isotone, same number of neutrons, n. Isotone, same number of neutron and different number of proton. Are those nucleus which have same number of neutron but different number of proton are called isotone of each other. Means, let's example C614 and N715. Here, see that different number of proton. Here proton number is 6, here proton number is 7. So proton number is different. Due to different proton number, mass number is also different. Here mass number is 14, here mass number is 15. But in isotone, we know that the number of neutron is same. Here number of neutron is 14 minus 6 equal to 8. Here neutron number is 15 minus 7 equal to 8. Same number of neutron is present. So these two nucleus is called isotone of each other. Isotone. Next we come isobar. Isobar. Bar means mass number. In isotope we see that same number of proton. In isotone same number of neutron. In isobar same number of mass. Isobar. Iso means same. So those nucleus which have same mass number but different proton and neutron numbers. Are called isobar of each other. Iso means same mass number is called isobar, but there will be different proton number and neutron number. Let's example calcium 20 atomic number, mass number 40. Potassium atomic number 19, mass number 40. Here we see that the atomic number is different, means proton number is different. Neutron number is here 40 minus 20 equal to 20. Here 40 minus 19 equal to 21. Neutron number is also different. But the mass number, which is A, denoted by A, is same. Same mass number is called isobar of each other. Okay? Next we come iso diapher. Iso means something is same. Iso word is come, so something is same. But we can calculate that. But what is isodiapher. Isodiapher. Iso means same. In isodiapher, definition we consider that the nucleus in which the difference of proton number and neutron number, the difference of proton number and neutron number in two nucleuses is same. Not individually the proton number, not individually the neutron number. The difference of proton number and neutron number is same in which type of nucleus is called isodiapher of each other. Those nucleuses in which the difference of proton number and neutron number is same is called isodiapher of each other. Sorry. In isotope, we see that the proton number is same. In isotone, we see that the neutron number is same. But in case of isodiapher, we see that the difference of proton number and neutron number would be same. So let's take an example. Uranium 92 238 and thorium 90 234. Okay. Here proton number 92. Here proton number 90. Here neutron number is 238 minus 92. (146). Here neutron number is 234 minus 90 equal to 144. It is neutron number. It is neutron number. But the difference of proton and neutron number is, difference of neutron and proton is 146 minus 92 equal to 454. Here 144 minus 90 equal to 54. We see that in the definition we called the difference of proton number and neutron number would be same. Here the difference of proton number and neutron number is 54. Here the difference of proton number and neutron number is 54. In these two nucleus, the proton number is individually different, the mass number is individually different, the neutron number is individually different. But the difference of proton and neutron number, here the difference of proton number is 54, here the difference proton number and neutron number is 54. The difference of proton and neutron number is same. So these two type of nucleus is called isodiapher of each other. Okay. Mirror nuclide. Mirror means one nucleus is mirror of another. Mirror nuclide. mirror nuclide. In isotope, we know that same number of proton, isoton same number of neutron, isobar same number of mass, isodiapher the difference of proton number and neutron number is same. In case of mirror nuclide, the difference of proton number among protons of two nucleus and the difference of neutron numbers among neutrons of two nucleus is 1. Okay, so those nucleus in which the difference of proton number between protons of two nucleuses and the difference of neutron numbers between neutrons of two nucleuses is 1. Are called mirror nuclide of each other. In isodiapher, we see that the difference of proton number and neutron number in two nucleus is same. But in case of mirror nuclide, the difference of proton number in protons of two nucleus and the difference of neutron numbers between neutrons of two nucleus will be 1. It will be same means 1. The difference will be 1. Not difference is same. Let's see example. Potassium 1940, calcium 2040. Here proton number is 19, here proton number is 20. According to the definition, the difference of proton number of two nucleus is 1. Here proton number difference is 1. Here neutron number is 21. Here neutron number is 40 minus 20 equal to 20. So the neutron number difference is 21 minus 20 equals to 1. So according to the definition, the difference of neutron numbers of two nucleus would be 1. Here neutron number is 21, here neutron number is 20. The difference of neutron numbers of two nucleuses is 1 and the difference of proton number of two nucleus is 1 also. This two type of nucleus is called mirror nuclide of each other. In case of mirror nuclide, we see that the mass number is same. The mass number is same. So means those nucleus which are mirror nuclide of each other are isobaric product because mass number is same. Okay. Next we come nuclear isomer. Nuclear isomer. In nuclear isomer, the neutron number, proton number, mass number, all are same. In case of neutron number same, we know that it is neutron number, proton number and mass number sorry, is same for nuclear isomer, but they shows different type of radioactive property. These are called nuclear isomer of each other. In same number of neutron, same number of proton, same number of mass, same number of neutron, we know that isotone, same number of proton, isotope, same number of mass, isobar. But in those type of nucleus where these three are same but different, the nucleus which shows different type of radioactive property are called nuclear isomer. The radioactive property is different due to the arrangement of nucleons, means due to the arrangement of neutron and protons in different energy state. The quantum number of those nucleus shows the different energy state of the nucleus. Shows different radioactive property because different energy state. Quantum number of those nucleus shows the different energy state. This called nuclear isomer of each other. Nuclear isomer means same number of neutrons, same number of protons, same mass is present, but the nucleus shows different radioactive property are called nuclear isomer. The radioactive property is different because due to presence different energy state of quantum number. Now we come magic number. What is magic number? Magic means something vanish or stable. Magic number. Generally, those nucleus which have neutron number or proton number 2, 8, 20, 28, 126, those nucleus which have these numbers of proton and this number of neutrons individually or separately present are more stable than other nucleus. Are more stable than other nucleus. So these number are called magic number. Okay. So these number are called magic number. Here 50, 126, 114 also present. In those type of nucleus, in where this number of protons or this number of neutrons are separately present, or this number of protons or this number of neutrons both are present, are more stable than other nucleus, are called magic number. Let's take an example. Calcium 20, 40. Here proton number is 20. Neutron number is also 20. This nucleus is more stable than other nucleus. Let's lead 82, 208. Here proton number is 82. Neutron number is 208 minus 82, 6 to 126. These two numbers separately present in magic number 82, or one present 82. Here proton number and neutron number both present, both are same, and this presents in magic number, and here proton number and neutron number are different but both present in magic number. So this type of nucleus are more stable than other nuclei. Okay. If this type of, let's say take an radioactive series X 92 to 38, alpha, Y, beta, Z, beta, A, alpha, B, 2 alpha, C, beta, D. Let's take a series. Calculate the atomic number and the mass number. What would be the series? We know that if an alpha particle emits from a radioactive nucleus, then atomic number is decreased by 2. Then Y should be atomic number decreased by 2, 92 minus 2, 90, and mass number decreased by 4. It is 234. This is why one beta particle is emits. When one beta particle is emits, we know that there is no change in atomic number, but no change in mass number, but atomic number is increased by 1 in the daughter nucleus. Then Z would be 91 to 34. Again beta, then A would be 92 to 34. Alpha, then B would be 90 to 30. 2 alpha, here see 2 alpha. In case of 1 alpha, mass number decreased by 4, atomic number decreased by 2. In case of 2 alpha, mass number is decreased by 4 into 2 to 8, and atomic number is decreased by 2 into 2, 4. So C would be mass number is decreased by 8, 2, 2, 2, and atomic number is decreased by 4, 86. D, beta. In case of beta emission, atomic number is increased by 1, mass number no change. So D would be 87 Now, what is the relation between X and Y? What is the relation between X and Y? In X, we see that the atomic number, proton number or atomic number is 92, and in case of Y, atomic number is 90. In case of X, mass number is 238, here mass number is 234. Okay. Here neutron number is 238 minus 92 means 146. Here neutron number is 234 minus 90 equal to 144. Okay, the difference of neutron proton here 144 minus 90 means 54. Here the difference of neutron proton is 146 minus 92 equal to 54. The difference of neutron number and proton number is same in two nucleus. From the definition we know that when the difference of neutron number and proton number is become same in two nucleus are become isodiapher of each other. Then from this definition we can conclude that when an alpha particle emits from a radioactive nucleus, the daughter nucleus and the parent nucleus becomes isodiapher of each other. So the relation between X and Y is isodiapher, because here difference of neutron number and proton number becomes same. So from a radioactive nucleus, when an alpha particle ejects, the daughter nucleus and parent nucleus becomes isodiapher of each other. Relation between Y and Z. Or relation between X and A. Relation between X and A. In X, we see that 92 to 38 and A 92 to 34. Here in the relation between X and A, here this proton number is same between an X and A. So these are isotope of each other. Relation between X and A are isotope. So from the series we can conclude that when an alpha particle and two beta particle, emits from a radioactive nucleus, the relation between daughter nucleus and parent nucleus become isotope of each other. when an alpha particle and two beta particle emits from a radioactive nucleus, the relation become isotope of each other. Okay. Now relation between Z and A. In case of Z, we see that 91, 234, A 92, 234. Here the mass number is same, and in case of ZA, a beta particle emits from a to convert Z into A. So from this theory we conclude that when a beta particle emits from a radioactive nucleus, the daughter and parent nucleus becomes isobar of each other. A beta particle emits, the parent and daughter nucleus becomes isobar of each other because the mass number is same here. Now alpha particle emits become isodiapher. One alpha and two beta particle emits become isotope. Only beta particle emits, relation between parent and daughter nucleus become isobar. Okay, this is all for isotone, isobar, isodiapher, etc. Let's take a series. Calculate the number of beta particle. In P 93 to 37, it's become Bismuth 83 209. Calculate the number of beta particle. Calculate the number of beta particle emits in the radioactive disintegration. If we want to calculate the number of emits of beta particle, we have to calculate the number of alpha particle emits at first, because without knowing the number of alpha particle we cannot calculate the number of beta particle. Now we have to calculate the number of alpha particle emits in this series. From the formula we know that number of alpha particle mass number of first radioactive element in the series, mass number this, minus mass number of last radioactive element of the series 209, and mass number of divided by mass number of alpha particle, that is 4, because alpha is denoted is 2He4, mass number 4. Means 7 alpha particle. Okay. Now number of beta particle, from the formula we know that atomic number of last radioactive stable element 83 plus number of alpha particle 7 into 2 minus atomic number of first radioactive element in the series 93. It means 83 plus 14 minus 93. Means 97 minus 93 equals to 4 beta particle. So in this radioactive series, from the formula we can calculate that 7 alpha particle emits and 4 beta particle emits. Total 11 steps. 7 alpha particle, 4 beta particle. It is called artificial radioactive series. Okay. This is for all the definition of isotope, isotone, isobar, and the relation between the nucleus of a radioactive series and the number of alpha particle and beta particle emits in a radioactive series. Okay, thank you.